writing works. So here we go. We have a scroll with 7 seals. The only one who has earned the right to break the seals and open the scroll is a lamb.
Hang on, the lamb? The Passover lamb? That's a symbol of Jesus.
Righto. But here's where it gets weird. The lamb has 7 eyes and 7 horns.
That's one freaky little lamb.
I'm having a hard time picturing that. Could you draw it?
Nope, we're not gonna draw it. We aren't supposed to focus on how the visions in Revelation look. We're supposed to focus on what they mean. What do you do with your eyes?
You see, right?
I think you got it.
Right, you see what's happening, so you know what's going on. And the number 7?
Means perfect or complete. So,
The lamb sees everything and knows everything.
Bingo! And what about those horns?
In the ancient world, an animal's horns were symbols of strength. So 7 horns means...
perfect strength. So this lamb has perfect knowledge and perfect strength. Huh, kind of like God. The Lamb of God, Jesus.
This is fun, like a scavenger hunt.
Right. So this Lamb of God with perfect knowledge and perfect strength can open the scroll. Each seal brings a symbol of the terrible ways people hurt each other. War and violence and famine and death.
John's vision seems to be saying that as God gets closer to stepping in, things will get even worse. People will be even meaner to each other.
Then we come to the 7 trumpets.
Ooh, the next level is like a video game.
Okay.